Drinking lemon water before bed. Can't you sleep at night because of your pillow? Here is adjustable sandwich pillow to support your neck, back, and spine. Enjoy a perfect sleep. You can have it too. What are the health benefits? Drinking hot lemon water is believed to bring various health benefits, ranging from hydrating the skin to potentially preventing cancer. However, there's a lack of specific research examining the health impacts of consuming hot lemon water before bedtime. Some studies do explore the potential health benefits of overall hydration. In a 2019 review, it was suggested that many health claims related to increased hydration lack solid evidence. For instance, there is limited proof that hydration enhances cognitive abilities, lowers the risk of kidney stones, or aids in weight loss. The consensus is that while additional hydration may have potential benefits, further research is required. Number 10. Alleviating cold symptoms. In a 2008 study, researchers discovered that consuming a hot drink could alleviate symptoms of cold and flu. Drinking hot lemon water before bedtime might be helpful in relieving nasal congestion or soothing a sore throat. Additionally, lemons, rich in vitamin C, have been suggested in a 2017 paper to shorten the duration of colds, although a 2018 evidence review found no support for this claim. Number 9. Enhancing digestion. Lemons are packed with soluble fibers, particularly pectin, which promotes regular bowel movements and improves digestion. Ayurvedic medicine suggests that a morning glass of water with lemon juice and pulp can kickstart the digestion process, contributing to a healthier digestive system. Number 8. Boosting immunity. Recognized for its immune-boosting properties due to high vitamin C and antioxidants, lemons strengthen the immune system against common cold and flu germs. A concoction of hot water with lemon juice and a generous spoonful of honey may aid in relieving cough and cold symptoms. Number 7. Weight management. A concoction of thoroughly squeezed lemon in lukewarm water, coupled with a tablespoon of honey, is hailed by many as a potential elixir for weight loss. The presence of pectin, a fiber in lemons that expands after consumption, creates a sense of fullness, discouraging the consumption of unhealthy snacks that contribute to weight gain. Since pectin is primarily found in the lemon pulp, consuming the entire lemon is crucial. While some studies on animals have suggested that the antioxidants in lemons may aid in weight control, clinical trials on humans are still pending to confirm its effectiveness. Number 6. Reducing cancer risk. Lemons and lemon juice, rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, serve as a robust defense against serious illnesses like cancer. Animal studies propose that lemon compounds, namely limonene and naringenin, possess anti-cancer properties. However, human studies are necessary to validate these potential effects. Can't you sleep at night because of your pillow? Here is adjustable sandwich pillow to support your neck, back, and spine. Enjoy a perfect sleep. You can have it too. Number 5. Oral health support. Recognized as a vital vitamin for teeth and gums, vitamin C in lemons makes them beneficial for oral health. Lemon's efficacy in addressing oral disorders, such as scurvy, characterized by swollen and bleeding gums due to vitamin C deficiency, is well established. Additionally, applying lemon juice locally to areas with toothaches may offer pain relief and help in reducing inflammation. Number 4. Enhancing mood. A 2014 study involving 52 participants investigated the effects of increasing water intake for those with low hydration and reducing intake for those with high hydration levels. The results revealed that boosting water intake in individuals with low hydration improved their calmness, satisfaction, and sleep. Conversely, reducing water intake had the opposite effects in the other group. Some individuals may find hot lemon water before bedtime to be a relaxing experience, potentially aiding in sleep induction and improving sleep quality. Number 3. Preventing kidney stones. Lemons, rich in citric acid, whether in fresh fruit or concentrated juice, can significantly elevate urinary citrate levels without affecting total urinary volume. Studies indicate that consuming lemonade or lemon juice concentrate may act preventively against kidney stones by promoting the formation of urinary citrate, a deterrent to crystal development. Number 2. Throat infections. When experiencing a throat infection, patients are often recommended to consume lemon cough drops. This is due to the natural antibacterial properties found in lemons, which can mitigate bacterial effects and provide relief. Number 1. Hair and skin health. Lemons, rich in vitamin C, promote collagen production and enhance hair growth by stimulating hair follicles. For those dealing with hair loss, a mixture of 2 tablespoons of lemon juice with aloe vera gel can be applied to the scalp 30 minutes before bathing, followed by washing it off with a gentle hair cleanser with high concentrations of vitamin C. Lemons play a crucial role in collagen production, contributing to a plump and youthful appearance of the skin. The nutrient-rich profile of lemon juice, when integrated into a diverse diet, enhances overall nutrition and promotes skin clarity, minimizing fine lines on the face. Ways to enjoy lemon water at night. Listening to your body is key when incorporating lemon water into your nighttime routine. Begin gradually and consume the drink in moderation to observe its impact on sleep, digestion, and overall health. Whether warm or cold, a glass of lemon water before bed can be a good starting point. Making lemon water before bedtime. Crafting lemon water is straightforward, but there are ways to enhance its health benefits. Don't overlook the advantages of lemon peel, which contains calcium, potassium, and vitamin C. Incorporating a bit of zest into your lemon water mixture can elevate its nutritional value. If lemons are unavailable, lime water is a suitable alternative, as the benefits are comparable. Can't you sleep at night because of your pillow? Here is an adjustable sandwich pillow to support your neck, back, and spine. Enjoy a perfect sleep. You can have it too. Thank you, guys, for tuning in. Hope you have a wonderful day.